challenging one for sure on this one. We're solving for m. Again, 2 steps. We've got something being added or subtracted and something being multiplied. And you always want to do the add or subtract first, and then you do the multiply or divide. So the y is what's being added or subtracted to x. So I'm going to subtract y to get rid of it and move it to the other side. So I've got z minus y equals, and then I can bring down negative xm. All right, I'm going to do this next part in one step. I want this to be a positive x. I need to divide by the negative and the m. And I can put a 1 there if that's helpful to see that the negative ones cancel and the m's cancel, and it leaves me with just an x. And whatever I do over here, I have to do on the other side. And I'm going to write that actually over each one. Negative 1m, negative 1m. Okay, so that helps me to see this positive z becomes negative. So negative z over m, and the negative divided by negative becomes a positive y over m. So you might see your answer written this way, or you may see it, since they're both over m, you could see it as one big fraction like this. Just know that you have a negative in front of z and the y is positive, and there's no negative on the bottom. So that one's definitely trickier.